This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the graduation pop-up card. So I have already put on the panel pieces for this card. There are two so that you can use your school colors on the panels. And then we're going to prep the base before we work on the inserts. Okay. So we're going to glue this 1/4 inch space here down to the inside of the card. Just take a few seconds to hold this in place. Okay, and then we can set that aside while we work on the inserts. So we've got the back piece. I've already glued the two pieces together. That will give you some stability with that base piece there. This card is an A7, so it's a 5x7 card. And just want to do one side at a time. There we go. And just kind of press that down in place. The backing is very simple. We have to have the white base for the stability of the vines. Then we have the front piece, which says grad. I've already put the front layer of letters on, and then I'm just going to glue this to the base. I would advise not using foam tape on this part because this goes down inside the card and it will affect how it closes. So that's the front. And then the center. Make sure you're using a good quality cardstock for this. If your cardstock is lighter, you may want to double this piece because it does have a little bit of height on it. I use the AC cardstock. I believe that's 80 pound. You're just going to layer your books. I've done my books also in the school colors of the red and blue. So this tassel is going to go to the center of your hat. And then there is a circle to put over it. There you go. And I'm going to pop this up with some foam tape. There we are. Okay, so those are our pieces. Now we're going to pull in the base. And you will notice that one of the sections has a slit right on the fold. That is your center piece. This one is your center. So that this piece goes in there. Then the grad goes in the front. And the ivy goes in the back. So I'm going to pull those out just like that. And this kind of already slid through the bottom here. So there's a tab through the bottom. You're going to feed that through and then turn it over. Fold the tab up and glue it to the bottom of the card. And just hold that for a few seconds. Let it take hold. Now flip this back over. We're starting with the front. I'm going to slide that in through the top and down through the bottom. It's getting stuck. I don't know why I'm having so much trouble. There we go. And then we're going to turn that over. Fold that up. Glue it to the bottom. And then the center, we're going to put in on the one that's on the fold. This time we're going to fold this bottom tab up over it, and we're going to glue it just to the center, just to the center piece. I'll hold that long enough to get it to stick. And now you'll notice when I push this up that the top doesn't go up with the card. And that is because it also needs to be glued to the center piece. So I'm going to put some glue under there and get this glued down. You want to make sure that you're only gluing the tabs to the center piece so that when you, whoops, I don't think I have quite enough glue there. You want enough to hold it, but not too much to ooze over the side and glue it to itself. So now when you push it up, you can see that it goes. What's going on here? What's it getting stuck on? And then we're going to fold this tab up and leave this tab down. We're going to glue these together. So you've got some thickness in here because of the layers. So just make sure you get that stuck down. And then when you push this up, you'll see that your card goes up and down. And just make sure that these are stuck well. And then you can close your card. And this is the graduation pop-up card. Thank you for joining me.